Sorry ass DJ.
Okay guys, we are going now. This is our house. I'm just taking a video because there's a big hurricane tomorrow morning. I hope this house stands. And this is our neighborhood. We are ready to go. Kids and daddy is in the car already and just taking a video, a quick video. This is before hurricane. Houses here. Because after hurricane, I'm gonna take a video again. These are our neighbors. Quick video before hurricane. I hope everyone gonna be okay because we are going to other state. I hope our house gonna stand. Mama Mary there. I hope everything going to stand. Hope our roof gonna be okay. And guys, see you again. I'm gonna take a video after hurricane. See you. Going to the car because my family, my babies and daddy are waiting because we are ready to go. Ay, ay, ay. Ready? Baby's ready?
Yeah.
Kuya is ready? Okay, let's go. We are leaving now.
My house.
My
Hopefully it's still
house.
here when we come back.
Bye house. Hopefully house gonna be okay. Going somewhere that there's no hurricane. I love you, daddy.
Alright.
Babies, you guys okay?
Yeah.
Yes, mommy. Love you. I love you. Love you more. Daddy's gonna fix this. Why are you closing it, Mahal? Why are you closing it?
Because the hurricane coming.
Hopefully the house gonna be okay. Oh my goodness.
And if it breaks, then the water's gonna go everywhere. The water hose. You guys ready to drive?
Yes.
Daddy,
Yes, baby.
I want to drive.
Okay, we're gonna drive right now.
Daddy, can I drive?
Later when you're big. That's why you need to eat a lot. Me too, me too. Of course, me too. Crash.
They were fighting.
Fighting. Oh, accident. 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 1, 2. Oh, the bumper. Yeah, the bumper. 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 3 cars, man. 3 cars.
Big truck in the back.
Super traffic. Everyone is evacuating. Hurricane is coming.
나타나준 너 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah I'm going crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸 I'm going crazy 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게 내 맘을 받아줘 영원히 변치 않을 테니
You have arrived at your destination on the
And
right.
then you go to the beach. There's no room.
Dad, look at that there.
Yes, baby.
That's the scary face up
Yeah.
there. Daddy. That's the scary face.
Yes, baby.
I see a scary face right there. I see another one. Dad, go look up. Look at that. I see another scary face. Daddy.
Yes, baby.
Whoa. Daddy, this is hotel.
Yes.
Mommy, what's this?
Okay.
Mommy, what's this?
Hotel.
Yeah. Hotel now. Mommy, the face is still coming down.
Nothing? Wanna go to the beach?
This is my phone.
Hold him first.
Yeah. Here's my phone.
Check that. We're just got here in the hotel. And they're so happy. Careful. You guys happy?
Yeah.
All the hotel are fully booked. We are lucky we found this one.
Be quiet.
Love you. Thanks God we found this one. The last option. And it's good. Close to the beach too. Kids are happy. It's 1 a.m. now. Finally just get the hotel. Bro, Mississippi, Alabama, Florida.
Bell button and subscribe and bye. Subscribe and bye.